Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to mention someone in a Behance project comment. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to locate the specific project where you want to leave your comment. Browse through your feed or use the search function to find the project you're looking for. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on that project to open it up. This will take you to the full project page where you can view all the details, images, and engagement from other users. Now scroll down towards the bottom of the project page. This is where you'll find the comments section, which displays all the feedback and discussions from other Behance users. Take a moment to scroll through and see what others have said about the project. This gives you context and helps you understand the conversation you're about to join. Once you've reached the comments section, you'll notice a field where you can input your own comment. Click on this field to activate it and prepare to type your message. This is where you'll be able to share your thoughts, ask questions, or engage with the creator and other community members. Now here's where the mention feature comes in. To mention someone directly in your comments, simply input the @ symbol, which is Shift and 2 on your keyboard, then immediately start typing their username. As you type, Behance will often suggest matching usernames, making it easier to find the person you want to mention. This ensures they'll receive a notification about your comment and can respond directly to you. However, if you don't know their exact username, don't worry, there's a simple workaround. Navigate to their profile by clicking on their name or avatar anywhere on Behance. Once you're on their profile page, look at the URL in your browser's address bar. The username will appear at the very end of that URL, right after the last slash. Go ahead and copy that username from the URL. Make sure you're copying only the username portion and not the entire link. Now head back to the project where you want to leave your comment. Click on the comment field again, type the @ symbol, and then paste the username you just copied. This will create a proper mention, and the person will be notified of your comment. And that's it. You've successfully mentioned someone in a Behance project comment, making your feedback more direct and engaging. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.